what is involved in it. The pain, the pleasure, the agony, the fear, all of that's involved. Such a mind is an unhealthy mind.
Yes, but one can even agree with that. One can even see it. One can even see the movements of one's attachments. One can even see the destructive consequences of all this. But that doesn't in itself seem automatically to dissolve
No, of course not. So it brings into quite a different question, which is, so do you hear it or merely with your sensory ears, or do you really hear it? You understand my question?
Yes.
Is just casual, verbal, sensory hearing, or hearing at depth? If you hear it at the greatest depth, then it's part of you. I don't know.
Generally, one doesn't hear it at the greatest depth, and that something is stopping it, you see. All the conditioning.
And also probably we don't want to hear it.
Well, but the conditioning makes us not want to hear it. That we're unwilling to do so.
How can I say to my wife, I love you, but I'm not attached? She'll say, what the hell are you talking about? But if one sees the absolute necessity to have a healthy mind, and not only in myself, but in my children, my society.
But you don't mean by that going around demanding of myself and other people that they be healthy.
I demand in myself. I ask, why is my mind healthy? Why is it neurotic? Then I begin to inquire. I watch, I attend, I pay, I'm diligent.
It seems to me that you said we must have to see the absolute necessity of a healthy mind, but I think we've been conditioned to the absolute necessity of maintaining attachment. No, that's what we feel, right?
Well, we haven't necessarily. You see, there are many people who've seen that there's all these problems, there's something wrong with the mind, they feel that something to be done about it and all that, and then take up some kind of spiritual practice, meditation and whatnot. Now, you're saying that all these kinds of meditation, concentrating on chakras and whatnot, are all just the same kind of thing.
I played that trick long ago. And I see the absurdity of all that. That's not going to stop thought.
Well, some of these methods are supposed to.
But
I don't know if they do or not, you see. They've never done it for me, so but I don't know if that's because I haven't done them enough.
Instead of going through all that business, why don't you find out, let's find out what is thought, whether it can end, what is implied. You follow? So at the end of these 4 discussions, we've got healthy minds. And we've got a mind that's not confused, groping, floundering, demanding, asking, Oh, you follow, sir? God, what a business to Seeing a rattler and say, yes, it's a rattler, I won't go near it. Finished.
It looks from the inside like this is a tremendous deep problem that's very difficult to solve. And you're saying from the outside that it's just like seeing a rattler. There's no...
It is like that with...
Yeah.
Because I don't want to achieve nirvana or heaven or anything. I say... You follow?
Well, I think it's interesting why it's deep when in fact it isn't.
No, sir, we're also very superficial. Right? Satisfy us. That's our good house, good wife, good job, relationship. Don't disturb anything. I go to church, you go to the mosque, I go to the temple. Keep things as they are.
Well, then you're saying we don't even want to look at it.
No, of course not.
But say we come with a problem.
Say, if Mr. Gentleman in Argentina, tribalistic they are, they would stop it.
Yeah.
But they don't, because the public doesn't want it. You follow?
Yeah.
We are educated to be cruel to each other. We don't go to. So, a healthy mind is that, sir. A healthy mind is without any conflict. And that's why then it is a holistic mind. And then there's a possibility of that which is sacred to be. Otherwise, all this is so childish.